Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. Today I would like to talk about the new Ford Bronco family. Ford is introducing an all-new Bronco brand featuring a new family of built wild SUVs, off-road driving schools, and a unique community for owners and enthusiast engagement. The all-new Bronco brand includes a Bronco two-door first ever four-door model and an all-new rugged small SUV, the Bronco Sport. All the variants of the Ford Bronco family will receive four-wheel drive system as standard. Every Bronco model is engineered to deliver thrilling and confident off-road experiences that build on the original 1966 Bronco DNA and racing heritage. With ingenious new updatable technologies and adventure-ready attributes created with today's outdoor enthusiasts in mind. For the Bronco brand and its all-new Bronco two-door, four-door and sport models to be superior off-road vehicles, all three vehicles deliver on the brand's three built wild principles. The elevated Bronco Torture tests ensure toughness across thousands of lab-proving ground and real-world extreme challenges in the toughest and harshest climates. Confidence to go over any type of terrain provided by standard four-wheel drive and an exclusive terrain management system, plus unique Bronco variant architectures with class-leading levels of capability and suspension technology. Claiming to be the future of off-roading, the Broncos deliver off-road ingenuity, new design innovations coupled with heritage-inspired DNA, plus new levels of personalization that can flatter the novice and challenge the expert adventure seeker. The Bronco holds a special place in popular culture and has been featured in more than 1,200 films and 200 songs. Since Ford ended production in 1996, Bronco SUVs have continued to grow in popularity with collectors and enthusiasts. Building Bronco as Ford's distinct outdoor brand includes a unique network of experiences, community, and engagement that extends far beyond ownership of the Bronco and Bronco Sport models. Chief among those authentic experiences are Bronco Off-Rodeos, four off-roading and outdoor adventure playgrounds built for all skill levels, with experiences designed to build confidence and inspire Bronco owners to get out in the wild for years to come. Also connecting current and future Bronco owners as well as off-road fans and outdoor enthusiasts, Bronco Nation, an independent online community that elevates the excitement of owning an all-new Bronco or Bronco Sport. Ford is ramping up all new Bronco merchandise too, which will be available for purchase on the Amazon online store. In terms of engine options, the new Ford Bronco family is expected to be powered by a 2.3-liter turbo inline 4-cylinder engine mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission as well as a 7-speed manual gearbox. The higher spec variants are also expected to be powered by a V6 petrol engine. Ford will be revealing the all-new models on July 13th across Disney Network channels, National Geographic, ESPN and ABC. Customers can reserve a new Bronco with a $100 refundable deposit as well. So that was all about the new Ford Bronco lifestyle SUV family. Do let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about the Ford Bronco? Are you excited for this? Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.